In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a D drive on a Windows 11 PC. It's a simple process, so let's dive right into it. First, open the Start menu on your PC and search for the word Partition. Select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search result. Before creating the D drive, we need to allocate some space by shrinking the existing C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. Wait for it to load, and then you'll be asked to enter the amount of space you want to shrink the C drive. This is especially the amount of space you want to allocate for the new D drive. I will go with the recommended amount. After shrinking the C drive, you will see unallocated space at the bottom of the window. Right-click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Click Next, then click Next again. In the next step, click the drop-down arrow and select D drive, then click Next and Finish. Now the D drive has been successfully created. To check it, open this PC and you should see the new D drive listed. You can now use it to store files and save data. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.